Welcome back to the channel Torque Nest. What if I told you that a compact luxury SUV could deliver the thrill of a supercar while still being practical for daily life? That's exactly what the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLC 63S brings to the table. This is not just another luxury SUV, it's a high-performance machine built to excite, dominate, and completely change the way you think about driving. At first glance, the aggressive design immediately tells you this is something special. The front end is bold and commanding, featuring the iconic AMG Panamericana grille with vertical slats that give it a strong racing identity. The sharp LED headlights add a modern and focused look, making the SUV appear ready to attack the road ahead. As you move along the sides, the muscular body lines and widened wheel arches give it a powerful stance, while the large AMG alloy wheels enhance its sporty character. At the rear, the quad exhaust outlets, sporty diffuser, and sleek LED taillights complete a design that perfectly balances elegance and aggression. Every detail is carefully crafted to reflect performance and luxury at the same time. Step inside, and the cabin welcomes you with a premium and futuristic atmosphere. The interior of the AMG GLC 63S is designed to feel like a performance cockpit, combining luxury materials with cutting-edge technology. You'll find high-quality Nappa leather, carbon fiber trims, and metallic accents throughout the cabin, giving it a refined yet sporty feel. The AMG performance seats are not only visually stunning but also provide excellent support, especially during high-speed driving or sharp cornering. In front of the driver, there is a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display various AMG-specific information such as performance data, lap times, and driving modes. The central infotainment system is powered by the latest MBUX technology, offering a large, responsive touchscreen with intuitive controls. It supports voice commands, smartphone connectivity, and advanced navigation, making every journey more convenient and enjoyable. The ambient lighting, premium sound system, and advanced driver assistance features further enhance the overall driving experience. Now let's talk about what truly makes this SUV stand out: its performance. The 2026 AMG GLC 63S is expected to come with a powerful hybrid-assisted engine setup, combining a turbocharged engine with electric boost technology. This combination delivers incredible power and instant torque, resulting in breathtaking acceleration. The SUV can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds, making it one of the fastest vehicles in its class. The AMG Performance all-wheel drive system ensures that all that power is effectively transferred to the road, providing excellent grip and stability in all driving conditions. The adaptive suspension system continuously adjusts to provide the perfect balance between comfort and performance. Whether you are driving on smooth highways or challenging roads, the vehicle remains stable, responsive, and incredibly fun to drive. Handling is another area where this SUV truly shines. Despite being a compact luxury SUV, it feels agile and precise around corners. The steering is sharp and responsive, giving you full control and confidence behind the wheel. The high-performance braking system ensures strong stopping power, allowing you to drive aggressively without compromising safety. With multiple driving modes available, including Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus, you can easily switch between a relaxed driving experience and a more aggressive, track-inspired setup. Even with all this performance, the AMG GLC 63S does not compromise on practicality. It offers enough space for passengers to travel comfortably, along with a generous cargo area for everyday use. Whether you're going on a long road trip or just driving around the city, this SUV provides the perfect combination of comfort and utility. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 model is expected to be positioned in the premium segment of the compact luxury SUV market. While it may come with a higher price tag, it offers exceptional value considering its performance, technology, and luxury features. This is not just a car you buy for transportation, it's a vehicle that delivers an experience every time you drive it. In the end, the 2026 Mercedes-AMG GLC 63S stands as a perfect example of how performance and practicality can coexist. It offers the thrill of a sports car, the comfort of a luxury SUV, and the latest in automotive technology, all in one package. If you're someone who wants power, style, and everyday usability without compromise, this SUV might just be your ultimate dream machine.